Hey everyone, welcome to Startup Snaps. If you've got a killer idea but zero cash, don't worry. Today I'll show you how to start a business with no money. Yes, you heard that right, no money. First up, leverage your skills. Think about what you're good at. Writing, designing, coding. Offer your skills as a service. Freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can be a goldmine for finding clients. Next, use free tools. There are tons of online resources that won't cost you a dime. Websites like Canva for graphics, WordPress for blogging, and MailChimp for email marketing. These platforms are perfect for getting started without breaking the bank. Now let's talk about social media. It's time to get social. Use platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter to market your services or products. Engage with your audience, share valuable content, and build your brand. Best part, it's all free. Crowdsourcing is another fantastic option. Websites like Kickstarter and Indiegogo allow you to raise funds for your project. Create a compelling campaign, and you might be surprised at how many people are willing to back your idea. Don't shy away from bartering. Offer your skills in exchange for services you need. For example, if you're a graphic designer, design a logo for a web developer in exchange for a basic website. It's a win-win. Lastly, network like crazy. Attend local meetups, join online communities, and connect with potential mentors. Building relationships can open doors you never knew existed. So, there you have it. Starting a business with no money might sound impossible, but with the right strategy, it's absolutely doable. Remember, the key is to be resourceful and persistent. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Startup Snaps for more tips and tricks on launching your dream business. Have any questions or need more advice? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.